today's first inverted photo experience. Take a walk on the ceiling. Right, let's go inside the upside down house. You ready, Curb? Oh.
Yeah, don't take my hand.
Oh, who put that up there?
I don't like this, I don't like this.
It's weird, isn't it? It's upside down.
Oh. Hang on. Wow. That's how are we going to do this one then, Cobbles? It's making me feel a bit dizzy, honestly.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
The stairs. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's making me feel really dizzy. With motion sickness, we're not even moving. Oh my days. Oh, it's proper messing with my head. Ooh. Okay, we're on the way out. My head can't cope. I feel really like seasickness. Get me out of here. I'm a bit to get me out of the upside down house. and cup. Oh my god. I feel like it's moving. Oh, this is so weird. Let's go. Right, we're going to give Alan the camera. What did you think, Cub? Did you like walking on the ceiling?
I did.
Cub?
I didn't like how the floor was floating.
Didn't like how the floor was tilted. It made me feel really sick. But then I seen this afterwards. What did you think, Daddy?
It's good. Really good.
Good fun, isn't it?
And look at the load out. Look.
£4 each.
Big step.
Skegness, just outside the pleasure beach on the seafront. And only £4 a person, so it's a nice little attraction, isn't it? Just don't go in if you get motion sickness. I felt like I was literally on a boat, even though it wasn't moving. Not sure how it works, but it was fun. See you, bye!